Hello dear friends, in this video I will show you how to create a rope between two such rings. First, select a sketch on the plane you need. Sketch. After that, select a circle. From the center, draw small circles. One small circle like this and another like this. You can also move them. Create circular pattern and select object, then disable it. The center point is this one, this will be our point. And we select the number of instances. Click the Create button, circular pattern, select our small circle and choose the central point. Our central point, select the quantity. 7 pieces work for me. You go to Create, circular pattern, select Object, again the central point, and take a look. Select the quantity. In this case, 11 pieces will do for us. Okay. Click Finish Sketch. Click Construction. Select which plane we will use and choose what it's for. For such an optical point, click OK. Select our sketch plane. Select this point. Create Project. OK. Next, we need to create a point here. And then we go out here. Select this edge. Create Project. Click OK. Then go to Create Point and create the central point. Make this line a construction line. Also on the cube, there's a little cube on the side here. Please click on the top button at the top of the screen and then carefully select the spline option. And start drawing, well, however is convenient for us. First, I draw an approximate shape. Then we'll make the main one by changing the position of the points. Okay. Here are little handles which we can adjust depending on how the points move. I move them, however, is convenient for us, about this distance. So it will come out here for us right here. A little less. Longer. Good. Now we will carefully raise the points in height, one by. Go here, select the point. Modify, new copy, and splitting. Okay. Select the point as well, modify, move copy, and split. Good. After moving the point, press the OK button, our sketch, and then click Create. To get started, simply select Sweep from the menu and then carefully choose our profiles. Next, we select our path. It will wait for us a bit. The program will take a moment to process. Now it suggests type KD. Don't agree to that. We select type new body. It will also take a moment to process. Alright. Next, we select the twist angle. Let's say 1200. Well, let's think about it a little again. There we go. We made the twist for us. Let's take a look. The twist is still really just a bit too small. Let's try, say, 2000. Let's wait a little longer. Let's decrease our number just a little bit to make things easier. There, the filling has occurred. Let's click OK. That's it. The filling has now been done. Let's raise our rope a little. Our sketch. Let's do edit sketch. Now, let's carefully select the point and then very gently lift it up just a little bit like this. Two millimeters. Okay. Finish sketch. Let's wait while it calculates everything. There. We've achieved almost or nearly enough movement so far. It's just that there are some glitches because we still haven't moved everything complete. Let's move it a little more. Let's move the loops. Well, I pressed the finish sketch button, and let's just wait here for a little bit as well. Maybe just for a moment. Or Fusion has unfrozen. There! We've twisted our rope. This was Alexei FTKF with you. Subscribe to our channel and give us a like. There will be a lot more interesting things to come.